This is Sean Zernick with Internet Work Consulting. I'm covering a series of issues, 11 of them, signs that your computer is in trouble. Up to this point, we've covered many different ones. In this instance, I'm covering beeping sounds. Your computer, when you power it on, should start up and you should get a single beep. Some computers nowadays don't give you that single beep. They just kind of power on, but a single beep on startup is normal. If you get a series of beeps and the computer doesn't boot up, that is what we call beep codes. Your computer did not pass the power on self-test. We call that the post. We need to look up the code to determine what it's complaining about and then resolve the problem that it's indicating. Normally beep codes will occur because it can't find a processor. Memory has gone bad. A video card cannot be located, and then at that point you'll get beep codes. Once the computer's running and you're in Windows, if you start getting beeping like a sound or a tune or a series of beeps, make sure it's coming from the tower because it could be your battery backup, and then that's a whole different issue. If it's coming from your tower, that would very easily be an indication that your computer is overheating. At this point, we need to check for other signs of overheating. Are fans spinning? Are there any fans that are broken? Do fans look clogged up with dust, maybe blowing out those fans? But deal with the overheating issue. Once the computer starts its beeping and playing its tune, the next step is going to be just powering off. If your computer is getting to that point that it's powering off, it is literally a heartbeat away from hardware problems, like you're melting the processor. Literally, the computer is going to power off at 160 degrees. Silicone liquefies somewhere around 170 degrees. So if you've got beeping sounds while the computer's been running, go ahead and turn it off. Get everything checked to make sure it's not signs of overheating. The cost to repair a computer for overheating is much more expensive once physical damage has been done. If it's beeping sounds on startup and your computer will not power on, then that's going to be some kind of hardware failure. The beeps will be a series of beeps in a certain pattern, kind of like Morse code, and we can look those beeps up to determine what's going on and then resolve the problem. If you have a problem with beeping sounds on your computer and you need it fixed, give us a call. Internet Work Consulting. My name is Sean Zernick.